Hey guys, it's your girl Lucy again. I'm back. So I told you guys I'll be updating you on how it's going with my dwarf bananas after I transferred them to these crates. It's been about 5 days. We had a lot of rain the other day and some of them kind of flooded. So today I'm going to transplant them and put them to the ground because I already know where I'm going to be putting them. I'll be using the chicken coop manure, water of course, and I'll be making an omelette mix here which I'll be putting in the ground, garden soil, and I have some rowan rind, and of course I have the mulch. Our soil here is very poor, it's very acidic, so I have to put some stuff there to balance it out. So I'm not really a scientist, don't know much about gardening, but I'm learning as I go. So anyway, let me get started. As you can see, this soil is all sandy. So I'll use the same soil to mix with the other soil I have. That way my plant doesn't get so confused. Don't have the right words for that. So there is our sand. Add some of this chicken coop. I guess I should have put on a mask, but all will be well. So I'll put a little bit of this in the ground. Then I'll just chop up everything here. And as I said, this will be like an omelette. That's a mango peel. You don't throw any of your fruits and stuff. You can add it all to your plants. It provides really good nutrients for your plants. You add an egg and you don't throw anything, even that shell, you throw it there. Add banana to it, have some really good potassium. It's an omelette with style. That will be one happy banana. Alright, and I'm gonna dump this to the ground. A little honey. That's just water. It's been really hot here today, so I don't want my banana roots getting all burned up. And here is our banana. So I'm just gonna put it out slowly. It's only been here for a few days. And I'll just sit it in there. Those are the gardening weed protector material I had put under those crates. So I'm gonna spread this mulch and everything that was in that container here. So I really don't even need to open another bag of mulch. That should do it. Those are the gardening weed protector material I had put under those crates. So I'm gonna spread this mulch and everything that was in that container here. So I really don't even need to open another bag of mulch. That should do it. Cut up this banana, add it there. Give it a little more water. Go ahead and water these other ones here. This one I had planted them a week before because I had the urge to plant something and they seem to be doing really good. So there we go, guys. I'll be updating you in another week and let you know how these bananas are doing. The rest of the bananas that I had in the crate, let me show you guys where I'll be planting them. Here is where I sat them, and they don't look to be doing really good because they got a lot of rain yesterday. We had really bad weather in Florida yesterday. So as you can see, our sand is really bad. It's all beach sand. I mean, we got the best beaches in the world, but when it comes to gardening, our yards are not that good. So a lot of acidic soil, have to check the pH, which I'm not doing. One time I had have the guy check, and he said it's really acidic and we needed to balance it. I didn't have much time or money to do all that, so I'm just gonna fix it as I go. So this is where I'll be planting the rest of the bananas, and I'll use the same method I used planting the other one. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Peace.